My name is Loken Kushwa. Super excited to give a demo of what I have built for Lingo.dev hackathon. So let's understand the problem statement. So there are various projects and apps which like ships with broken translations, and there are like various locales. So some locale have 90% coverage and others have 40%. So and nobody notices until the users reports. So I built a tool which detects all of it and fixes all of it in seconds. So uh, this is the website, and either you can like paste the repo open source any open source project's GitHub link, or you can like change this github.com into my domain, which is i18n-doctor.versal.app, and press enter. Then it says to start a scan, and it once I click on it, so it scans all the JSON YAMLs, and sometimes the translations are also in .po file, so it even scans that. And about the existing tools, so they exist as CLI forms only, many tools, and there's a like overhead to set up those CLI, and the only drawback to them is that they only detect the problem, they don't fix anything. So we have to either way we have to fix all those translations. So now I have pasted the for the rocket.chat project, and it has given me the report. So the report has all the data at a glance, that there are like 103 keys total, and the coverage is like 33%, and we can see there are like 3000 almost 3800 missing keys, and luckily there are no orphan keys. So this is a full localization health report, and if we scroll through the cards, so it shows like for this example there are like 0 keys translated, and if we click on the details, then we get the list of all the keys. And there's a button which says fix with Lingo.dev, and once I click on it, the progress bar appears, and all the translated, untranslated, and missing keys are fixed using AI, and it all happened in parallel chunks. So even thousands keys are finished in seconds. Then there's this view diff, which shows the source language on the left and new translations on the right, and every key. And so we can review, and if it looks good, we can download the JSON, or we can create a PR. In order to create a draft PR, we have to first log in with GitHub. And so yeah, so if you are like not logged in, the project gets added in the recent scans in the homepage. And once I log in with GitHub, then I will show you how the dashboard looks like. So after logging, this is the dashboard, and the dashboard has all my history, like history of reports which I have scanned in the past. And for all the scans, it creates a leaderboard of all the repos. So the repo which has the most coverage of the keys, it comes at the top. And if in the dashboard, if I go in rocket.chat, and if I like fix anything with Lingo.dev, and I can create a draft PR from it. So if I check my repository, I don't have the rocket.chat repo. So the steps in which it happens is that first it creates, so it's written here. So first it forks the git that repo in your account, and it create a branch with this name, and it commits the translated file and opens a draft PR. So once I click on it, it takes some of time, and then we will be able to see the view PR. So this PR got created few seconds ago, and it in the description we have written for now. So like it was auto generated by this project, and it uses Lingo.dev. And in the files change, we can see all the keys which were missing, and it has added now. So after reviewing the PR and adding the description which is required by this contributing file, so we can like mark it as for review. And additionally, we can like share this link with anyone, and we can create a new scan from here. This is our profile, and this app itself also uses a Lingo.dev SDK. So if my default language of this browser is like Spanish, so the text which is appearing here will come in Spanish, and it all happens like through uh, so if I go to the this repo, and if I go to GitHub Actions, so whenever I make any commit, it auto runs the SDK for any changes detected in the en.json. So en.json is the main root file where it detects all the changes and it auto translates the other files. So yeah, thank you.